Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today we will talk about a smartphone that is set to make waves in its price segment. Yes, we are talking about the ZTE Blade V70. This phone has emerged as an excellent option with its stylish design, powerful specifications, and affordable price. If you are looking for a good display, excellent camera, and long-lasting battery, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's talk in detail about its features. Let's talk about the display. The ZTE Blade V70 features a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display. Its 120 Hz refresh rate makes your scrolling and gaming experience very smooth. Talking about the design, the phone is slim and stylish, with amazing color options like Glacier Green, Stardust Gray, and Sunshine Gold. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable. Now let's move on to performance. This phone features an octa-core 2.0 GHz processor and the latest Android 14 operating system. Together, they ensure smooth multitasking and fast performance. Whether you want to run heavy apps or play games, this phone won't disappoint you. Talking about storage and RAM, the ZTE Blade V70 comes with 256 GB internal storage and 8 GB RAM. If you need more space, it has a micro SDXC card slot available. Now let's talk about the camera setup, which is a standout feature of this phone. On the back, you get a 108 megapixel wide camera that is perfect for taking high quality pictures. The specifications of the other two cameras haven't been mentioned. For selfie lovers, it has a 16 megapixel front camera. Both cameras support 1080p at 30 FPS video recording. Let's move on to battery performance. The phone has a large 5000 mAh battery, which can give you a full day of backup. It comes with 22.5 watts fast charging support, which will help charge your battery quickly. Connectivity features include dual SIM support, 4G compatibility, and a USB Type-C port. One more good thing is that this phone has a 3.5mm audio jack and FM radio, which many users find useful. Now let's talk about the price. This phone is expected to cost around 4,900 in Pakistan, 12,500 in India, and 17 Tekka in Bangladesh. Considering the price, this phone holds a very strong position in the competition. So friends, this was a detailed review of the ZTE Blade V70. If you're looking for a stylish design, excellent camera, and reliable performance, this phone could be a great option for you. How did you find this phone? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, do like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.